Hello, Braden from Bolster here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a selector tool or selection-based pricing. This is used if you have multiple items that you're looking to combine into one. Good example is flooring. So I'm going to use the sample flooring item. And click on this box, go into sales, open that drop-down, include alternative selections for this item, and we're going to use variation options. So from here, you can add a description at the top. You can choose if it's going to be a client selection or if it's internal use only by clicking on this. So client selection intended to be available for the client on their proposal, or internal, just people on your team would be able to see this tool and make selections. So leave it as client selection. We can adjust these tiers in here. This first one, let's call this, let's go flooring grade. I'm going to remove these three out and click on this plus to add my own. So new variation, let's say this is entry-level flooring. Click on the plus to add another. Call this mid-level, and we'll do one more. Premium level. Now I'm going to remove these bottom two tiers out for now. I just want this one level. If you did want to add more, you can click on this plus and follow that same process. So if you want to do color, size, flooring design, anything like that, you can. But for this example, I'm just going to leave in the flooring grade. So once we have added those three variations, we click on save and close in the top right-hand corner. Now from there, how that will look on the client side, sample flooring item, we can view options. And ideally they would show up right there, which they are not.